So we are doing hands-on session on the R software. So today we will install the R software. For that, first of all, we have to download the R software, and after that we will start install R Studio. So for downloading the R software, simply just 1 minute, I'm sharing my whole screen, not only PowerPoint presentation. So you simply type R CRAN download on the Google. It is visible, sir?
Yes, visible.
Okay. So simply type R CRAN on the Google. So you will find here R 4.1.2 for Windows. Simply click on this. So this type of window will appear in front of you. And from download R 4.1.2 for Windows, click here. So it is simply downloaded in your computer, and it is a exe file. After the downloading, you have to install the software. Simple clicking the next button. Nothing is new to install in this software. Clear? So you simply click next, and automatically it will install. And after the installing of R, you have to install R Studio. R Studio is IDE of R. It is the integrated tool designed. It is a tool designed for the R software. It is so for that, simply click R Studio. So this is the window appear in front of you. Come in the bottom and see R Studio desktop application, and you can download simply R Studio for Windows from here. It is 156 MB file. So simply click on this button and it is starting the downloading. It is also exe file, that means it is an application. So simply you will open this particular exe file and simply put next button, and it is easily downloaded. And after the downloading, you can run these softwares for hands-on practices. So tomorrow we are having hands-on practices. So this is my humble request to you. Please download the